Hi everyone, welcome to another session in tech discussion with Sama. Okay, so last session we discussed about the RPA. Okay, RPA means Robotics Process Automation, and there we discussed what are the tools available in RPA, and also we discussed where in which companies opportunities are available. Those details also we discussed in a last session. If you haven't watched that video, I suggest you to please watch it. Okay, so in today's session we will discuss about automation anywhere. So automation anywhere is also a RPA tool. Okay, there are a lot of RPA tools are available, so automation anywhere is one of them. Okay, so let's start. So what is automation? Okay, automation is a technique that is used to complete the task with minimal or no human intervention. Okay, so if I explain in a briefly, so automation is like reducing the human effort. Okay, that is what in a simplify, if I simplify this, so automation means we are trying to reduce the human effort. Suppose a human work, suppose a work is there, okay, which human is taking around 1 hour. So through automation we will try to reduce that work. Also time saving is also there. Okay, so 1 hour work we can reduce it to half an hour. Okay, so we have to build a logic for it, but that is what the automation is, where we can save some effort and save some time. Okay, so this technique is used to make devices, systems and systems or process to operate automatically. The primary aim of automation is to boost the efficiency of business processes and reduce or replace the human workforce. This is what the automation is. Okay, now let's move to automation anywhere. Okay, so this automation anywhere, okay, this automation anywhere is one of the popular RPA tool that provides powerful features to automate complex business task. Okay, so the obviously when you work in a IT industry, you will see lot of tasks. Okay, lot of tasks that people are doing. So automation comes into that picture where you think, okay, this is just a regular work. Every day a resource is coming and doing this same work. Okay, and we have to think whether this is feasible or not. That is the first thing we have to see. That is okay, in RPA this is possible. This process we can automate, and then we start automating the process. Okay, using this automation anywhere tool. Also there are other tools are available like UiPath, Blue Prism. Lot of tools are available. This is one of the tool, and this is here, in this tool also we can automate the regular task. So it is used to automate such processes that are repetitive. Okay, this is the main thing: repetitive, rule based and manually performed by humans. Okay, so these are the things we can automate. Okay, and it offers end-to-end automation strategy for the organizations. So whatever the organization you are working, you can prefer this automation anywhere. Okay, and you can reduce the effort, whatever the effort you are spending on a particular work, that effort you can reduce. Okay, automation anywhere is a web-based management system. It has a control room. We will discuss about the control room after some time. Okay, and because this control room, if I say this control room is, this is the head. Okay, this is the head of automation anywhere. This is the server of automation anywhere. Okay, it mainly used at the enterprise level and changes the way of enterprise operate. The primary aim of automation anywhere is to offer scalable, secure, resilient service to its user. Okay, no programming. So it's clearly mentioned there is no requirement for coding skills or any programming knowledge. This one you can find in automation anywhere website also. Okay, you don't need to have coding skills to automate this process, because this one is very easy. Okay, this is just a drag and drop, but you should know how to build the logic. Okay, how to build the logic, if else condition, loop, these are the basic things which you should know. Okay, based on that you can start working on this automation. Okay, so according to the enterprise requirements, one can easily use recorders to record the manual actions and edit them using the task editor. Okay, okay, in a simple language, if I say, what you will do is, you'll just start the recording in your system. There's an option called recorder. You just have to start it. So once you start the recording, and you do whatever the repetitive work you are doing, you can do it, and then you can stop the recording. Okay, so that interval, okay, recording start and recording end, so whatever the actions you have done in your machine, in your laptop or in your desktop, those details you can edit also. Suppose you are passing on parameters, so you can change the parameters. Okay, suppose you are generating Excel file, so instead of Excel file you can use CSV file or some other file. This is just an example I'm giving. Okay, so in this way, this is you just record the session, record the work, and then you can edit, so that like suppose you have handled with a one input, suppose you have recorded with one input file, you can edit it with a multiple input files. Okay, so suppose you are in your recording task, you have created a Excel output file. Okay, you can edit and create a PDF files, or you can create some text files, CSV files, anything. Okay, so based on your requirement you can edit the task also. This is what the features we can say in Automation Anywhere. Okay, so Automation Anywhere provides error-free automation. It eliminates human error by automating the task properly. Okay, so here, whatever the process you are automating, you can make it as error free. Okay, suppose a human is doing any work. Okay, that's a possibility that it will come, some error may come, because see, a human, if a person is working and is handling suppose 20,000 records, okay, in handling 20,000 or 40,000 records, the person is handling, there's a possibility that one or two records that may have you may get some error, you may have done some mistake while entering the data or while extracting the data or something, and some process you might have get some error or issues. But if we build the logic properly in Automation Anywhere, that's a possibility that we will not get any error. Okay, this is the one of the features. This is why customers are preferring Automation Anywhere. Okay, and that is why it mentioned it eliminates the human error by automating the task properly. Okay, and let's discuss about the Automation Anywhere architecture. Automation Anywhere architecture. Okay, so Automation Anywhere has a distributed architecture. It offers a centralized management system by using its control room. Like I said, control room is the head. Like in a person, we all have a head. Okay, so in Automation Anywhere, this is the head, control room. Okay, it's the architecture of Automation Anywhere is separated into two components: bot creators and bot runners. Okay, and both worked from the control room. Okay, like say, both components are attached to the control room. Okay, so let's discuss. Okay, suppose this is the bot creator. Okay, bot creator means a person develop automation. automation logic. So this is what we called bot. Okay, so bot creator means where a developer creates the bot. Okay, and then bot runner. Bot runner means where a person running the bot. Okay, in bot creator also we can run the bot. Here also we can run the bot. Here also we can run the bot. But only difference is here you cannot edit the task. Okay, you cannot edit the task in bot runner, but bot creator you can edit the task and you can run the task also, and all those things are handled in a control room. Without control room you cannot run the bot, you cannot edit the bot also. Okay, so bot creator, this one we prefer. This is all these are license. Bot creator is a license. This is also license. Bot creator, bot runner, both are the license only. But why we prefer bot creator and bot runner? Okay, so bot creator we prefer for developer to develop the bot, like develop the automation logic. Okay, but bot runner is like, suppose once you are done with the development, even if you would have seen in the organization, whatever the software organizations and whatever the organizations you are working, you might have seen bots or code we are deploying into the production. Okay, so bot runner is kind of a production, we can say, where we will run the bot over there. Okay, we cannot edit anything over there, we just have to run it, so that no one can edit the bot, edit the logic, no one can touch it. Okay, and the deployment process done in control room. Deployment, this is done in the control room. So from control room itself bot will trigger. Okay, from control room you have to trigger the bot, or you can schedule the bot, trigger or schedule the bot. Okay, you can schedule the bot in control room. From the control room it triggers the bot runner. Okay, even in the control room you can see whether the bot failed or bot completed successfully, logs. Okay, everything we can see. If the bot fails or what reason bot fails, you can see the logs also, you can see the details also, everything we can see in the control room. Okay, so this is what the overview of Automation Anywhere tool, and in the next session we will discuss more detail. Okay, and that is all for today's session. If you have any doubt or anything, please let me know in a comment section. I'll definitely try to resolve it. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you, bye.